everyone. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take the lower part of the hair, tie it again in the form of a ponytail, roll the ponytail upwards and then decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, then make it through the gap of one ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair, divide it in two parts, make pigtails and then crisscross the pigtails to the upper part of the hair, attaching it with your favorite small clutchers. See how pretty it looks. You can also decorate it as per your wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. The ponytail should be half and elegant. Then make your hair pass through the gaps of the ponytail above, just as shown in the video. Take the lower part of the hair, tie it properly with a rubber band, divide it into two parts. Then those parts are also secured with a rubber band and put out through the gaps. Then take a rubber band, secure it again with the upper part of your hair, just like this. The lower part should look like a heart and the upper part should look like a ribbon. Then carefully secure it with a 5-legged back pin or a juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then roll that ponytail above and then secure it properly with a rubber band and decorate it properly with a clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, then give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of the hair from the upper part of your head. Then tie that ponytail with a favorite rubber band. Then take the below part of the hair and tie it properly just as shown in the video. Roll the upper part upwards and secure it tightly again with a rubber band. See how pretty it looks. This gives you a ribbon look. You can use any color of your longing. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, take the lower part, tie it again, give it a ribbony look, take the lower part again, tie it in the form of plaits, roll the plaits, insert it inwards, clutch it with a favorite clutcher, give it a fluffy look so that it looks like a ribbon. See how good it looks. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, roll the ponytail upwards in the form of a circle looking like a juda, secure it properly with your favorite back pin or a juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, take that ponytail above, comb it properly, tie it again with a rubber band, roll that ponytail inwards carefully with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, take the ponytail from below and then clutch it with a back pin. Then take the upper part, tie it with a rubber band, roll it inwards just as shown, and with the help of a bobby pin, secure it properly with your head and hair just like that. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then comb the hair upwards. And when you are done, secure it properly with a 5-legged back pin. Thank you for watching.